Hi, this is a short series of videos about winter greenery in the garden, and my intent here is to show plants that are durable and rather reliable in terms of providing that greenery in the cold months. I'm in zone 8B here in central Texas in the hill country. Most of this region is in zone 8B or 8A. There are a few small areas that are in zone 7B or 9A. There has been extreme cold weather here recently. In December of 2022, I got down to 14 degrees here, and I know they had as low as 15 degrees as far south as San Antonio. And that's pretty extreme, but it was also very sudden in terms of plants didn't have time to harden off beforehand. The weather was quite mild before that. And in February of 2021, it got down to 7 degrees here, which was really bad. And I lost plants that I'd had for decades in that cold wave. So this has been, both of these events have been pretty good tests for what will survive that kind of treatment. So I'm showing in these photos and possibly some footage of evergreen perennials, and within the perennials are some plants that are also ones that have taller growth in the growing season, and then in the winter they've died down and they form what's called a winter rosette, which is a clump of foliage right next to the ground that stays green. So there'll be the perennials and shrubs and vines and trees. I'll indicate which are native. And a lot of the photos are from my garden, and there are some from elsewhere in the region. So I hope you find this useful and enjoy.